Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to continue the must try AI tools in Canva. Here in a part 15 I will show you the FontStudio, which is a pretty funny application where we can create our own fonts filled with different kind of colors or even with pictures, and we can create a pretty funny effect, increasing our creativity. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. I'm just adding a new page and going to the apps. And here in the apps, I'm just searching for the FontStudio, just opening it. And this is the main page. Here we can see, we can find the templates, what we can use. Now I will use this happy. And here we can change the text, what we would like to use. Even we can change the font inside the fonts. That's a pretty funny thing. And we also can change the alignment, and also we can change the letter spacing and line spacing, and we can change also the style between regular and italic. Just keep it regular. Here in the letter field we can add more color, more than one, but if we have used more than one color, as you can see, the Canva we use this order what was set in this line. We can, okay, we cannot add more, but I can delete. And we can add any color. Even we can use the color picker, or if we know the hexacode, we can add the hexacode also. So that was okay. One more. This will be the green one. So we can add 5 colors, or we can even upload a picture or use selected image. If you have any image in the Canva, we can selecting it. And this is also a funny part. You can add different layers, and the layers can be outline or shadow or projection. And like the projection, I just change the color. Here even we can add more color for the projection, and we can change the projection length and the angle. The length, just to reduce a bit. Just increasing. And as you can see, that's pretty funny what we can create here. Maybe it's better if we just using 2 colors and using the same projection. But here we can see also we use this outline shadow, this colorful outline also with one more white one outline and the shadow. So if we reduce this might be the final outcome will be a bit more realistic or more nicer. If you just to show something not that difficult thing, but more like this. Here it's only filled with white color and also without any special effects. This one I forgot to show you. So we can even tilt the letters. to 0, or separate the letters also, which is also a pretty funny function. And you can also move these layers. Like now we have two outline, but just moving the outline. As you can see, there is an outline in a text. There is a blue projection, and there is a black outline also on the projection. And if I add a shadow also, here we can change the shadow length, the blur, also the angle, and the shadow opacity, just moving a bit down. And adding to the design. So it's a pretty cool feature where we can create on not only the font style, but already have these additional effects what we can use, and creating these pretty amazing and eye-catching text effects from any text. And also a good thing, we can even change the font what we use in this font animation, text animation. That's pretty amazing. Like I really like this. That was just a preset, and just looks really like a sticker, and this is just filled with an image. This is also, as you can see, this is just an image, and then here just a text with different colors, and also with I'm guessing this is a projection, black projection, and maybe there is a black outline also. So this application is a pretty amazing. I really loves it. We can create lots of really amazing text effects with it. So, and it's free, so it's really good to try and using your next project. But now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you liked it. If you really liked it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in a Canva, or you have any idea what you miss, what kind of tutorial you would like to see in the future. Please also check my Facebook page, where you can find a bunch of Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. Also, you can find tutorials for different kind of AI tools, plus a bunch of text to image generation, and then if you are interested on this area, you can find also lots of nice ideas. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.